Nestled in the Tasman Sea, approximately 600 kilometers east of mainland Australia, lies a pristine paradise that few have had the privilege to experience. Lord Howe Island, a crescent-shaped volcanic remnant, stands as a testament to nature's extraordinary ability to create and preserve unique ecosystems. This UNESCO World Heritage Site has implemented one of the most stringent visitor restrictions in the world, allowing only 400 tourists at any given time, a decision that has helped maintain its exceptional biodiversity and pristine environment. The island's story begins around 7 million years ago, when volcanic activity thrust this landmass above the ocean's surface. Today, what remains is a spectacular landscape dominated by Mount Gower and Mount Lidgbird, twin peaks, that rise dramatically from the turquoise waters below. These ancient sentinels have witnessed the evolution of some of the world's most remarkable species, many of which exist nowhere else on Earth. The island's isolation has created perfect conditions for speciation, resulting in an extraordinary number of endemic species. Perhaps most notable is the Lord Howe Island Woodhen, a flightless bird that came perilously close to extinction in the 1970s, with only 30 individuals remaining. Through one of Australia's most successful conservation programs, the population has now recovered to several hundred birds, which can be spotted foraging among the island's lush vegetation. But the woodhen is just one chapter in Lord Howe's remarkable story of biodiversity. The island is home to more than 130 bird species, including the Providence petrel, which returns to the island in such numbers during breeding season that the sky literally darkens with their presence. The island also hosts the world's largest colony of red-tailed tropic birds, their distinctive white plumage and crimson tail streamers, creating a spectacular display against the backdrop of the island's dramatic cliffs. The marine environment surrounding Lord Howe Island is equally extraordinary. The island sits at the intersection of 5 major ocean currents, creating the world's southernmost coral reef system. This unique positioning has resulted in an incredible mix of tropical and temperate marine species. The waters around the island host more than 500 fish species and 90 coral species, creating an underwater spectacle that rivals the Great Barrier Reef in terms of diversity, if not in size. The island's strict visitor limit isn't just about preserving its natural wonders, it's about maintaining a delicate balance between tourism and conservation. The local community, numbering around 350 permanent residents, has become the guardian of this natural treasure. They've developed a sustainable tourism model that allows visitors to experience the island's beauty while ensuring its preservation for future generations. This approach to tourism has created a unique experience for those lucky enough to visit. Unlike many tourist destinations, there are no high-rise hotels or resort complexes on Lord Howe Island. Instead, visitors stay in small, locally owned lodges and guest houses, many of which have been run by the same families for generations. The island's commitment to sustainability extends to its transportation system. There are few cars, and most people get around by bicycle or on foot. The island's vegetation tells its own remarkable story of evolution and adaptation. More than 100 plant species are found nowhere else in the world, including the infamous big mountain palm, which can grow to heights of 15 meters in the island's rich volcanic soil. The Kentia palm, native to Lord Howe, has become one of the world's most popular indoor plants, with seeds from the island being exported globally since the 1800s. One of the most fascinating aspects of Lord Howe Island is its successful eradication of invasive species. In 2019, the island completed the world's largest rodent eradication program on an inhabited island. This ambitious project has already shown promising results, with native species beginning to recover and some thought to be extinct invertebrates making surprising reappearances. The island's commitment to conservation extends to its marine park, which protects an area of 465 square kilometers. This protection has created a haven for numerous marine species, including sea turtles, dolphins, and a variety of tropical and temperate fish species. The crystal-clear waters around the island offer visibility up to 30 meters, making it a paradise for snorkelers and divers. But perhaps what makes Lord Howe Island truly special is its role as a living laboratory for understanding evolution and adaptation. The island's isolation has created unique opportunities for scientists to study how species evolve in response to environmental pressures. This research has contributed significantly to our understanding of island biogeography and evolution. The future of Lord Howe Island faces challenges, particularly from climate change. Rising sea temperatures threaten its coral reefs, while changing weather patterns could impact its delicate ecosystems. However, the island's strong conservation ethic and careful management provide hope that this natural wonder will continue to thrive. As we look to the future of conservation and sustainable tourism, Lord Howe Island stands as a model for how humans can coexist with nature without destroying it. Its visitor limit, while restrictive, ensures that each person who visits can experience the island's wonders in their full glory, while helping to preserve them for future generations. The island reminds us that sometimes less is more when it comes to tourism, and that true luxury lies not in elaborate facilities or amenities, but in the privilege of experiencing one of the world's last unspoiled places. Lord Howe Island isn't just a destination. It's a testament to what we can preserve when we choose to put conservation first.